What's the meaning of shanty? Shanty. Shanty.
Chanty. Chanty. Chanty is a word that has multiple possible meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a type of work song traditionally sung by sailors, or it can be a misspelling of chanty, which is a type of sturdy fabric commonly used in outdoor gear. Alternatively, chanty may be a diminutive form of chant, meaning a repeated phrase or melody often used in religious or spiritual contexts. Without additional context, it's difficult to determine which meaning of chanty is intended.